Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add payment method on MoonPay. So MoonPay supports multiple payment methods. So here's how you can add one. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your MoonPay account, and of course you do have to make sure that you've already created your profile, verified your account, and activated your portfolio so that you will be able to actually see this feature. So once that's all set, you should see the payment method somewhere right here. So what you will have to do once you see it, you will just have to click click payment methods, and then you will see add payment method. So you will just have to click that as well, and then you will just have to select your type, which is either debit card, credit card, or Apple Pay. It really depends on you. And then of course you will enter your required details and verify with bank if prompted. And then after that, your payment method will be added, and then you will just have to select it when you're buying your crypto. And yeah, that's basically just it. And having your multiple payment options makes buying crypto easier and faster. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.